Fraction, fraction. What's the operation in the middle? Subtraction. So whenever it comes to addition or subtraction, what we need to make sure?
The common denominator.
Common denominator, right? Do we have the same common denominator in this case? No. So our first goal is going to be to come up with the same common denominator, right?
60.
60. Yes?
Yes.
How do we find 60? That's right, very good. So since we're dealing with integers, we can actually kind of calculate that in our head. We can say, okay, well, both of these can be divided by, they can go into actually a single number. That would be 60, right? So the lowest common denominator in this case is going to be 60. So it means we want to make both of these denominator equal to 60, right? So it means the first denominator is 15. So what do we need to multiply 15 in order to convert that into 60? What do we multiply 15 with?
4.
4, right? So since we're multiplying the denominator with 4, we also have to multiply the numerator, right? And why we are multiplying both? In order to keep the original value of the fraction, right? Now what about the 12? What do we need to multiply? 5 times 5. And since we are multiplying the denominator, we also need to multiply the numerator. Okay, so what is it going to look like? It's going to look like 8 over 60, right? Minus 25 over 60. Very good. Negative or positive? Negative, yes. So since we have the same denominator, now we can add or subtract the numerator, right? So we'll just write down 8 minus 25. Now do you think we add or subtract denominators too? No, right? We'll just only write the common denominator only once, right? What's the 8 minus 25?
17.
Positive or negative? Negative. Very good. Can we reduce this?
I don't think so.
Yes. We cannot reduce, so we'll leave the answer as it is, right? So this is going to be negative 17 over 60, right? Okay, now this, it doesn't involve any polynomials, right? It's just a simple fractions, addition or subtraction. Same kind of technique we are going to be applying with the rational expression. All right. So I'm going on page 410, which is